Okay, section 8, question 2. In triangle PQR, PQ is x centimetres, PR is 5x centimetres, QR is 2y centimetres. The perimeter of the triangle is the perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimetres. So the perimeter is the distance around the outside. Write down an equation in x and y to illustrate this information. Well, that's pretty simple. So if I start, for example, here, from here to here, right round to here is 42 centimetres. So in terms of an equation, it's just x plus 5x plus 2y is equal to 42. X plus 5x plus 2y equals 42. Now, take an opportunity there to simplify that. That would be 6x plus 2y is equal to 42. Okay, part B says PR is 2 centimetres longer than QR. Write down another equation in x and y to illustrate this information. So PR is 2 centimetres longer than QR. Well, that means then PR is 5x. Now, the question says that it's 2 centimetres longer than QR. Well, that means it's equal to QR, which is 2y plus 2. So PR, which is 5x, is 2 centimetres longer than QR, which is 2y. So that means 5x must be equal to 2y plus 2. And that's part B. Part C, calculate the values of x and y. So we can see that this is getting set up as a simultaneous equations question. So equation 1 is 6x plus 2y is equal to 42. Equation 2 is 5x equals 2y plus 2. So let's just set this up here. So the first equation is 6x plus 2y is equal to 42. Second equation, 5x equals 2y plus 2. Now what I'm going to do is take an opportunity just now to put this in the form letter, number, like equation 1. So that would be 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. So now that's kind of suitable. I've got letter, number, and letter, number, and I'm going to bring that in. So the second equation will be 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. And that's equation 2. I can see clearly now that I'm going to get rid of the y element. The signs are different. If the signs are different, that tells me to add the equations to eliminate the y's. So communicate to the examiner what you're going to do. So it's going to be equation 1 plus equation 2. 6x plus 5x is 11x. 2y plus minus 2y goes. 42 plus 2 is 44. 11x equals 44. X is equal to 44 over 11. And x is equal to 4. Now, x is equal to 4. I'm now looking to find the value for y. So I can use one of my equations to sub back in to get that. Now, it doesn't matter which equation I use, so I'm going to use this equation up here, which I think I called equation 2. 6x plus 2y is equal to 42. But instead of writing x, where I see x, I can replace it with 4. So again, the equation that I'm going to use is 6x plus 2y is equal to 42, and where I see x, I'll replace it with 4. So that's going to be 6 lots of 4 plus 2y is equal to 42. That's 24 plus 2y is equal to 42. Two y is equal to 42, take away 24, moving that across the other side and subtracting. Two y will be equal to 18, and y is equal to 18 over 2, and that's 9. And what I should have explained before was if I'm going to sub x equals 4 back into one of the equations just to communicate that to the examiner. But there's my final answer, x equals 4 and y is equal to 9.